Charity begins at home. Charity begins at home. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Welcome to this video tutorial. In today's lesson, we're going to explore the meaning of the proverb, charity begins at home. We'll discuss how to apply this wisdom to our everyday lives so that we can attract good fortune, overcome challenges, and achieve our goals. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive in. First off, what does charity begins at home actually mean? This popular saying emphasizes the importance of taking care of one's own family and loved ones before extending help and support to others. It serves as a reminder that we should prioritize the needs of those closest to us, as it is our responsibility to ensure their well-being. This doesn't mean that we shouldn't help others, but rather that we should first make sure our own house is in order. Now that we've established the meaning of this proverb, let's talk about how we can apply it to our lives and use it as a guiding principle for success. First and foremost, we must recognize the value of self-care. In order to effectively help others, we need to be in good physical, emotional, and mental health ourselves. Make sure to prioritize self-care activities such as getting enough sleep, maintaining a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and engaging in hobbies and activities that bring you joy. By taking care of ourselves, we are better equipped to care for our loved ones and support others in need. Next, let's focus on our immediate family. It's essential to build a strong foundation of love and support within our households. This means being present and attentive to the needs of our partners, children, parents, and siblings. Make it a point to spend quality time with your family members, listen to their concerns, and offer your help when needed. By doing so, you're not only strengthening your bond with them, but also creating a positive and nurturing environment that will allow everyone to thrive. Once we've taken care of ourselves and our families, it's time to extend our support to our extended families and friends. Although they may not be living under the same roof as us, these individuals are still an essential part of our support system. Make an effort to regularly check in with your relatives and friends, offer assistance when needed, and celebrate their achievements. Doing so will help to strengthen your relationships and create a sense of unity and belonging. Now that we've addressed the importance of caring for ourselves, our families, and our extended network of loved ones, it's time to discuss how this proverb can be applied to our professional lives. In the workplace, charity begins at home can be translated to prioritizing the well-being of our colleagues and team members. This means being supportive, lending a helping hand, and fostering a positive work environment. By doing so, you'll not only contribute to the overall success of your organization, but also create a strong sense of camaraderie among your colleagues, which can lead to increased productivity and job satisfaction. Finally, let's discuss how we can apply the wisdom of this proverb to our communities and the world as a whole. Once we've taken care of our own needs and the needs of those closest to us, we can start to look for ways to make a positive impact on the world around us. This might involve volunteering our time, donating to charitable organizations, or advocating for causes that are close to our hearts. By practicing charity in our own lives, we can inspire others to do the same, leading to a ripple effect of kindness and generosity. In conclusion, the proverb, charity begins at home, serves as a powerful reminder that taking care of ourselves and our loved ones should be our top priority. By doing so, we create a strong foundation from which we can extend our support to others and make a positive impact on the world. Remember, it's essential to maintain balance in our lives, and by practicing self-care, nurturing our relationships, and contributing to the well-being of our communities, we can achieve success and live a fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us in this video tutorial. We hope that you've gained a deeper understanding of the meaning behind charity begins at home, and that you'll embrace this wisdom as you navigate through life. Best of luck on your journey, and remember, charity truly does begin at home. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.